Guys, so I took the handle off, and as you can see there, let me put my finger in there. That's where the key used to be. That's that little latch you see over there with the yellow thing. It used to belong there, but it broke off. So it even has a little hinge there. This thing broke off. It's like, damn, they're not really durable as I thought. Like, even though for being Toyota. What I'm gonna do, guys, though, when I work on it, I'm gonna switch it to the passenger side because, like I told you before, the rekeying is almost 30 bucks. So I don't want to pay that much to rekey something. Like, it's not like if really my van is not a passenger van. It's pretty much right now a cargo van. I have all my tools over there and crap in the back, so it's not like if I'm bringing people in. So I'm gonna try to make the driver's side with the key, and then the passenger side could be just with no key as long as it's able to lock. So it seems like that's the original one, but it broke off. It's just so many years there, oxidation. Again, when you live near the beach or where there's high humidity, that's what happens. I'll keep you up to date, guys. I'm gonna try to make a better video of these repairs. Mostly you just gotta know your van or your car to work on it. If you don't really know it, even if you see all the YouTube videos online, you won't understand it. So my advice is just play with your car, your truck, like a toy, and just know how to work on your car. There's no substitute for practice and knowledge. You just have to do it. There's no Once you do it and you get good at it, that's how you become a master. Something like the saying says, practice makes perfect. So thanks for watching, and we'll make some more videos later on.